man. What? You think you got the game? Well, check this out.
What you do? I'm about to shake and bake you right there, right there. From the 3-point line, I don't care, don't care. I'm about to shake and bake you right there, right there. Cross over, make the whole crowd stir, crowd stir. I like the way the crowd cheer when I lay it up. Like EA Sports, I'm in the game and play it tough. Days on, about to take it to the hoop. But first, let me come out my warm-up suit. I play the court, while you fools play the bench. Your coach don't know that play that make no sense. Pass it, steal it, it's all teamwork. Cheerleaders on the sideline and they change shirts. My dribble is wicked as I drive down the lane to the hoop. I take a check and bake it, ain't no thing. Once I get in the game, don't worry about a thing. But why I'ma be leaving MVP with the ring? I'm about to shake and bake it right there, right there. From the 3-point line, I don't care, don't care. I'm about to shake and bake it right there.
Greeting, Earthlings. We have now taken over your radio.
Hit 'em high, and you hit 'em low, hit 'em low, hit 'em low.
Going straight to the hole. You ain't got no game. I'm breaking you out the frame, coming through like a train. Looking to take over the whole world is my goal. With my unstoppable crew taking all control. You can't get none of this. We're running this. Well, take up, earth shaker, 3-point gun in this. Get out the lane, I'm coming through, and if you don't wanna move, I'm coming right through you.
It's like inch by inch and step by step. I'm closing in on your position, and destruction is my mission. No, 8 is not enough, the whole squad better duck. It's like switch when I bust, now your whole crew is dust. Coming through my area, I'ma have to bury you. The real scream team on your screen scene. It's like showdown in the ring. Go tell me who wanna tangle with the ghetto witch doctor, neighborhood superhero.
On it all, unstoppable, we run the floor. You can't get none of this hardcore. In the game, we take you to war. We see nothing like this before.
Hit 'em high, hit 'em high, hit 'em high. If you hit 'em low, hit 'em low, hit 'em low. If I hit 'em high, hit 'em high, hit 'em high. If you hit 'em low, hit 'em low, hit 'em low.
Insane like a runaway train, I'm in your lane like it's only 3 seconds to score to win the game. Came to bring the ultimate pain up on the brain, untamed. You won't like it when I change into a type strange. Make low maniacal, monster in the game. And I got my eye on you, dead shot aim. As free throws keep coming down like rain. You feeling me, I'm feeling you, the monster gang. I'm telling you, pass me the rock, now I'm headed to the basket. Get up on my way, get what you better do. My tactics is unsportsmanlike conduct, you better ask it. Don't get no better than this. You catch my drip, you get stripped by ball handler, grew by swag hammer. Danger, you dealing with official hoop bangers with hang time like a coat hanger. Jump with thunderous 360-degree tight dunks. What up, Dr. Monster Funk?
Lightning strikes, the court lights get dim. Supreme competition is about to begin above the rim. Finessing it moves is animated. So once I get the ball in, I can't be deflated. A rugged part of my monsters is getting money. When clicks get the bugging, I'm snatching up their bunnies. Every step I take shakes the ground. I make you break your ankle, son, shake you down. This is my planet, I'm about business. The best that ever done it. Can I get a witness? A cumulus cloud bring darkness up above. You in it for the money or in it for the love, MJ? 23 ways to make a pay. Lounging in the mothership back around my way. I'm 28 light years old. If the refs get political, dribble like Bob Dole. Am I getting lyrical? Daddy, I think so. Monster dropping flavor fluid, so drink slow.
Unstoppable, we run the floor. You can't get none of this hardcore. In the game, we take turn the music up, please. I see nothing like this before. Hit 'em high, hit 'em high, hit 'em high. We hit 'em high, hit 'em low, hit 'em low, hit 'em low. We hit 'em low, hit 'em high, hit 'em high, hit 'em high, hit 'em high, hit 'em low, hit 'em low, hit 'em low. Yo, God bless. Pick up his chest, it's an example. Now I just get your vocal right.
twins.